Are you looking for the best drones for under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mavic Mini 2. My closest friend just got engaged, and she asked me to document the occasion with photos. She promised she would never put her confidence in anybody else to make the gorgeous photo album she desired. She requested me to cover her wedding, and I was excited since it would give me another opportunity to fly my DJI Mavic Mini 2. The drone itself is remarkable for the price. Its visual quality, hovering speed, and response time astound me. It gave me the most excellent pictures of the soon-to-be bride and husband. I can rapidly record high-quality videos utilizing a variety of pre-programmed drone flying patterns thanks to the DJI Fly app. The available modes are drone, helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang. I can edit my video as soon as it's captured, add soundtracks and effects, and then immediately share it on social media using the DJI Fly app. Number 2, DJI Tello Drone. We would all go on summer vacation according to my father's plan. We will be there for about a month because we are on vacation. I grew thrilled and put my things in a suitcase. I was getting ready to embark on my first trip to North Carolina. Along with everything else, I took my Tello Drone. The places where my dad had to spend his formative years, as well as the sites of their engagement and subsequent marriage, were all things I wanted to record. The DJI Tello was a reasonably priced drone with all of the brand's distinguishing characteristics, including obstacle avoidance, one-touch takeoff and landing, and GPS navigation. It has a 1080p camera with virtually no latency included inside the device. I captured beautiful memories, which I will do for the next generations when the right time comes. For holidays it is a reasonable price. Number 3, DJI Mavic Mini Combo Drone. My university held a themed fashion display last month. I used drones to submit my video for a No Backpack Day theme event. I pulled out my brand new DJI Mavic Mini drone, which I'd bought with money I'd made from working a part-time job. It provided me with ample content for my social media platforms. The images and videos quickly went viral, and my page trended until last night. To access SkyPixel, I may use the DJI Fly app. I can upload photos and videos, browse other people's creations, and find new photography spots in my area using this social networking site. Lightweight handling. For musical events, this drone is ideal. Good management enables me to have fun. The drone poses a threat and can potentially cause catastrophic injuries, even if it is minor, and might not cause as much harm or damage as a drone weighing more than 250 grams. Add to it the absence of collision avoidance sensors in earlier DJI Mavic iterations. You will clash if you lack experience or are not paying attention. I advise using propeller guards when flying indoors to safeguard the drone and the environment. Number 4, Holystone HS720 Drone. My interest in drones began when I witnessed my father using them for business purposes. He bought me some toy drones for kids, but now that I was an adult, it was time to advance and take my hobby to a new level since I had previously owned many drones and felt more confident in my ability to fly one. I recorded performances at my institution with this Holystone HS720 drone. I've managed the media for the last 2 years. The most intriguing technological device I have was that people dancing to the music successfully captured on the camera. The high-quality camera allows for an accurate depiction of crazy fans' feelings about the film. This drone is considerably different from my past versions. The digital display, GPS, and auto-stabilization of the remote are all crucial components. 4K's anti-shake camera with Sony sensor, electric image stabilization technique. Sony Sensor 4K's anti-shake camera reduces video blur. For higher image quality, Sony sensors provide a cutting-edge image capturing technology. The 4K camera takes in significantly more info, 3840 by 2160. Number 5. Contixo F22 Foldable RC Quadcopter Drone. I have 10 years of experience as a drone pilot. I own a company in New York. My job has been enjoyable in providing my customers with the best shoots of all varieties. This Contixo F22 Foldable RC Quadcopter Drone has received requests for reviews. I had so many DMS from teenagers that I wanted a detailed discussion. I think that why not give it a shot and report to you on how it went. I bought it a month ago, and I've been using it to assess how well it works for my adolescent generation carefully. And after using it, I concur that acquiring our teenagers this drone is good because it works well and improves their skills. For folks of all ages, I thought it was excellent. The drone itself is well constructed. It feels as light as a foam block and is thin. Additionally, the body. Tap on a few places to plan my flight path. I can tell the F22 drone to fly in a circle by selecting a point on the app. With this skill, the pilot will have more time for creativity and photography. Number 6. Ruko F11 Pro Drone. I'm compelled to take pictures of the natural world. When God's beautiful creatures are alluring, how could he resist the impulse to capture them? With my Ruko F11 Pro Drone camera, I can capture this beauty, making me smitten with the shining moon, sky, galaxy, deserts, and woods. This drone is the finest for static landscape photography. I can capture a variety of sceneries with it, like the shimmering desert horizon and the glittering beauty of rivers and lakes. Every time I look at these pictures, I get the impression that I was there since it catches everything in such detail. This drone has become my obsession since it enables me to pursue my love of landscape photography. It is a 90-degree adjustable camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens that can capture the view in every priceless moment. It also supports live video transmission up to 25 fps. Offering a stable and smooth video range of 1,614 feet. 4K UHD camera with shock absorption reduces blurriness and gives me a clear and stable image. 4K/3840 by 2160p. Through the app. Number 7. Contixo F24 Pro 4K Drone. My father has been caring for a farm for the past few years. This summer, I made a trip to see him. I could see that he lost interest in going on solitary field trips. I had brought my brand new Contixo F24 Pro 4K Quadcopter UHD FPV GPS foldable drone over to film the memorable moments with my family when I got the bright idea. I have taken pictures of my property and fields and surveyed the crops on my farm with this drone. I recorded it on camera and showed my father. He smiled and complimented me on it. I taught him every day for as long as I was with him. He rapidly mastered using it. The camera's 90 degrees vertical adjustable lens catches the action in breathtaking 2.9K and 4K Ultra HD video with incredible clarity, rich contrast, and brilliant colors. Its 120 degrees FOV lens offers a whole perspective of the scene. I see breathtaking beauty in high definition,